Now let us discuss fourth problem today, that is find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are taken in order, that is minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma minus 5, 3 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 3. Okay, so we have to find the area of the quadrilateral. So let us first draw a quadrilateral. Okay, A, B, C, D. The points of A are minus 4 comma minus 2 and B are minus 3 comma minus 5 and C are 3 comma minus 2 and D are 2 comma 3. So in the case of this quadrilateral, we don't have a direct formula, so we will divide this quadrilateral into two triangles, right? This is one triangle, that is ABD is one triangle, as well as BCD is another triangle. So we will find the individual area of ABD and individual area of BCD, and then we will add the areas, then we will get the area of the ABCD quadrilateral. Okay, so first for that let us find out, let us consider A, that is minus 4 comma minus 2, and B minus 3 comma minus 5 and D is 2 comma 3. Okay, and x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So now area of ABD, triangle ABD is equals to, the formula is half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 units. Okay, so this implies 1 by 2 times of x1 is nothing but minus 4 into y2 is minus 5 minus y3 is 3 plus x2 is minus 3, y3 is 3 minus this one is minus 2 plus x3 is 2, y1 is minus 2 minus of minus 5, that is close the modulus, then half modulus of minus 4 into both are minus, addition can be performed, symbol will be negative. So minus 8 plus into minus is minus 3 into 3 plus 2, okay, 3 plus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 and minus into minus will become plus 5, close the modulus. After this we will get it as, this will be implies to 1 by 2 times of minus into minus will become plus, plus 8 4 is 32. So we got it as plus 32. Now minus 3 into 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, plus 2 as it is, plus 5 minus 2 will become 3. Okay, this will become half modulus of 32 minus 15 plus 3 2s is 6. Okay, from that half modulus of 32 plus 6 will become 38. Okay, 38 minus 15 will give you how much? 1 by 2 times of, this will become 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 23 by 2, which is nothing but 2 ones, 2 ones, 2, 2 ones, again you are left out with one more point, so 11.5 square units. Okay, so therefore we got the ABD area as 11.5 square units. ABD is equals to 11.5 square units. Okay, now let us find out the area of BCD by considering B point, that is minus 3 comma minus 5, C point 3 comma minus 2 and D point 2 comma 3, that is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, so now area of BCD is equals to half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 square units. This implies 1 by 2 times of x1 is minus 3 into y2 is minus 2 y3 is minus 3 plus x2 is 3 into y3 is 3 minus of minus 5 plus x3 is 2 into y1 will be minus 5 and y2 will be minus of minus 2. Okay, this implies 1 by 2 times of minus 3 into both are minus, addition will be performed, that is minus 5 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 will become, and plus 2 into minus 5 and plus 2. Okay, this implies 1 by 2 times of minus into minus will become plus, okay, plus 15 and plus 3 into 3 to 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 into minus 5 plus 2 will become minus 3. Okay, this implies 1 by 2 times of 15 plus 3 8 is 24 minus 6. This implies 15 plus 24 will give you 1 by 2 times of 9, 39 minus 6, okay, which is nothing but 33 by 2. 33 by 2 is nothing but 2 table we can cancel, 2 ones, 2 6 and you are left out with 1, right? 2 6 is 12, 1 will be there. So this is 16.5 square units. Okay, so we got the area of BCD as 16.5 square units. Okay, so now in order to find the area of the quadrilateral, what we need to do, we have to add them. Okay, now we have area of ABD as 11.5 square units and BCD as 16.5 square units. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to quadrilateral ABCD is equals to, what you can write? It can be written as area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD, that is equals to 11.5 square units plus 16.5 square units. So therefore when you add these two, it will become 28 square units. So therefore the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is 28 square units.